Hello, welcome to another lesson. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to make a collapse animation. So to start, let's go to our motion study. And the collapse animation works just like the exploded animation. So the first thing we want to do is let's right click on the orientation and press display playback of view keys. Then the next thing we want to do is click on the animation wizard and the collapse and click next, and the duration, let's select 8 seconds and click finish. Now the collapse animation has been made with the keyframes for that corresponds with the steps we use to explode this valve in the assembly model. So now let's create a camera so we can see that was what's going on. So we right click on this light camera and add camera, and let's just put the target somewhere here, and we can zoom in and we can just move the target around until we get something that is centered, something like that, and maybe zoom in, and we can change this to 16 by 9 and click OK. So we have that view. So if I click play, as you can see, my animation is, my parts are going back into my valve and everything lasts 8 seconds. So the same way, once we are done, we can press save, and we can save it into I just named this to a different file name. Browse to our file location, a different file name. We already set the camera to 16 by 9. We want it to render 25 frames per second and click save. And the next thing, we want to do full frames on compress and click OK and recalculate yes. So now our model is going to save. Our animation is saving. It takes a while. It's actually pretty slow, so please bear with me. It's almost there. All right, just one more. There we go. So if I browse to my file location and click on the check valve 2, we see our animation playing for 8 seconds. Anyway, thank you. That is how you do the collapse animation in SolidWorks. And this animation are pretty basic for you to be able to rotate your model and see what's going on. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.